Eggs are a very nutrient-rich food that can provide high amounts of protein and healthy fats. However, for those looking to reduce their cholesterol intake or who simply don't enjoy the taste of eggs yolks, egg whites may be an alternative option. But why would anyone only want to consume the egg white? Are there any benefits to consuming just the egg white? What is the difference between the egg white and the egg yolk? Let's find out. Hello everyone. I'm a doctor. In today's video, we will discuss about the health benefits of egg whites. So let's begin. So what exactly are egg whites? Well, egg whites are simply the protein found in the egg. And the reason why people would choose to consume only the egg white instead of the whole egg is that egg whites are pure protein. They contain no fat and virtually no cholesterol. This makes them an excellent option for those looking to increase their protein intake without adding extra calories or unhealthy fats to their diet. The protein in egg whites is also very high quality, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. In fact, egg whites are considered to be one of the best sources of protein available because they are so easily digestible and absorbable by the body. One large egg white contains approximately 4 grams of protein. So, if you're looking to boost your protein intake, eating several egg whites throughout the day can quickly add up. But the benefits of egg whites don't stop at just being a good source of protein. They are also low in calories, which makes them ideal for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy body weight. One large egg white contains only about 17 calories, so you can eat several egg whites without consuming a lot of extra calories. This can help you feel full and satisfied while still keeping your calorie intake low. In addition to being low in calories and fat, egg whites are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. For example, they are a great source of vitamin D, which is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. They also contain other important vitamins and minerals such as selenium, phosphorus, and choline. While the quantities of these nutrients are not as high as what you'll find in a whole egg, they can still make a significant contribution to your overall intake. Now let's see how you can use egg whites in cooking. Omelets made with egg whites only are a delicious and nutritious breakfast option. To make an omelet with egg whites only, simply separate the egg whites from the yolks and then beat them with a fork until they are light and frothy. Add salt and pepper to taste and then heat a non-stick pan on low heat. Pour in the beaten egg whites and cook until they are set but still moist. You can also add other ingredients such as chopped vegetables, cheese, or ham to make a more substantial meal. Another way to use egg whites is to make a protein shake. Simply blend together egg whites, milk or yogurt, and ice cubes until smooth. You can also add other ingredients such as fruit or protein powder to make the shake more filling or nutritious. Protein shakes made with egg whites are a great option for those looking to increase their protein intake, especially after a workout. So now let's move on to the benefits of egg whites. One of the main benefits of egg whites is that they are a great source of protein. As I mentioned earlier, one large egg white contains about 4 grams of protein, which is a significant amount, especially considering that the calorie count is low. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a variety of important roles in the body, including building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and helping with weight loss. By consuming egg whites, you can easily increase your protein intake and support these important functions in the body. Another benefit of egg whites is that they are low in fat and cholesterol. As I mentioned earlier, egg whites contain no fat or cholesterol, making them an excellent option for those looking to reduce their intake of these nutrients. High levels of fat and cholesterol in the diet have been linked to a variety of health problems, including heart disease and obesity. So, reducing your intake of these nutrients can be an important step towards improving your overall health and reducing your risk of developing chronic diseases. Also, egg whites are a good source of several important vitamins and minerals. While they don't contain the same amount of these nutrients as whole eggs, they can still make a significant contribution to your overall intake. For example, egg whites are a great source of vitamin D, which is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. They also contain other important vitamins and minerals such as selenium, phosphorus, and choline. By including egg whites in your diet, you can ensure that you're getting enough of these important nutrients to support optimal health. And another benefit of egg whites is that they are versatile and easy to prepare. As I mentioned earlier, egg whites can be used in a variety of dishes, from omelets to protein shakes. They are also very easy to prepare. Simply separate the egg whites from the yolks and then cook them as you would any other egg dish. Their simple preparation makes them a convenient option for those looking to increase their protein intake without spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Overall, egg whites can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. They are a great source of protein, low in fat and cholesterol, and easy to prepare. Whether you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or simply improve your overall health, egg whites may be able to help you achieve your goals. So next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a carton of egg whites and see how they can benefit you. Now let's look at some of the downsides of eating egg whites only. While egg whites offer many potential health benefits, it's important to be aware of the possible downsides of consuming them. Firstly, eating only the egg white and discarding the yolk means that you're missing out on a significant portion of the egg's nutrients. The yolk contains a variety of important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, D, and E, as well as choline and lutein. By removing the yolk, you're reducing the amount of these nutrients in your diet, which can have negative consequences over time. For example, vitamin A is important for vision health, while vitamin D supports bone health. Choline is essential for brain function, and lutein can help protect against age-related macular degeneration. By consuming only egg whites, you may be increasing your risk of developing deficiencies in these nutrients. Another downside of eating only egg whites is that they can be difficult to prepare in a way that is both satisfying and nutritious. When you remove the yolk from the egg, you're left with a dish that is primarily composed of protein and little else. This can make it challenging to create a meal that is both filling and balanced. Additionally, egg whites can be rather bland in terms of flavor, which may make it less enjoyable to eat them regularly. This can make it difficult to stick to a diet that consists primarily of egg whites over the long term. Lastly, relying solely on egg whites for protein can lead to an imbalance in your nutrient intake. Eggs are a great source of protein, but they are not the only source. By focusing primarily on egg whites, you may be neglecting other important sources of protein in your diet, such as beans, lentils, tofu, and lean meats. This can lead to an imbalance in your nutrient intake and may increase your risk of developing deficiencies in other essential vitamins and minerals. If you want to learn more about the benefits of eggs, click here. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.